Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving headfirst into a project that's near and dear to my heart, designing the ultimate cabin retreat. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy escape nestled among towering pines or envisioning a spacious lodge for family gatherings, we're covering it all. We'll walk through every step, from picking the perfect piece of land to adding those final touches that make it feel like home. So, grab yourself a glass of sweet tea, settle in, and let's get started transforming those cabin dreams into a beautiful reality. Finding the right spot for your cabin is like finding the perfect piece of land for your home away from home. It sets the stage for everything. We're talking about considering those breathtaking views, making sure you can actually get to your little slice of heaven, and being mindful of the impact on the land itself. Think about it. Do you dream of waking up to the sun rising over a misty valley, or maybe the gentle lull of a nearby stream? And remember, practicality is key. Access to roads and utilities is important, but don't let those necessities outweigh the magic of your chosen spot. Now comes the fun part. Taking all those cozy cabin dreams and turning them into a design that reflects your style and needs. Are you drawn to the rustic charm of a classic log cabin, or does a more modern farmhouse style with clean lines speak to your soul? Let those preferences guide your choices. Think about how you'll use the space. Will it be a cozy getaway for two, or a place for family and friends to gather? Sketch out rough ideas. Flip through magazines and create a vision board that truly captures the essence of your cabin. This is where we get down to the nitty-gritty. A well-designed floor plan is like a good foundation. It supports everything that comes after. Think about how each room flows into the next, maximizing both space and functionality. Do you envision a grand, open living area where everyone can gather around a crackling fire? Or maybe a cozy nook tucked away for reading and quiet reflection. Remember, this is your cabin, so let your heart lead the way. Choosing the right materials and finishes is like adding those signature touches that make a house a home. We want materials that can stand up to the elements, but also bring warmth and character to your cabin. Think reclaimed wood beams, a beautiful stone fireplace, or maybe a vintage clawfoot tub for a touch of luxury. Let the materials themselves tell a story and create a space that feels both timeless and inviting. This part might sound a little technical, but it's all about making sure your cabin is built to last. We're talking about the bones of the structure, the framework that holds it all together. From traditional timber framing to more modern approaches, each system has its own unique charm and benefits. Don't be afraid to lean on the experts. A qualified builder can help you choose the best system based on your cabin's design, location, and budget. Okay, let's talk about those essential creature comforts that'll make your cabin livable year-round. We're talking about water, electricity, and yes, even those not so glamorous but also necessary septic systems. Think about how you'll be using your cabin. Will you need a full-blown kitchen for whipping up gourmet meals, or are you more of a campfire cook? Do you want to be off-grid and self-sufficient, or connected to city services? Now for the really fun part, bringing your cabin to life with all the cozy, inviting details that make it feel like home. Think plush throws draped over comfy chairs, the warm glow of vintage lanterns, and the aroma of firewood crackling in the hearth. Create spaces that invite you to slow down, unwind, and reconnect with what matters most. Let's not forget about the great outdoors. Blending your cabin seamlessly with its natural surroundings is key. Think winding pathways leading through fragrant gardens, a cozy fire pit area for stargazing, or maybe a screened-in porch where you can enjoy the sounds of nature without those pesky mosquitoes. Remember, the goal is to create a harmonious connection between your cabin and the beautiful landscape that surrounds it. Building with sustainability in mind isn't just good for the planet, it can also create a healthier and more energy-efficient cabin for you. Think about incorporating eco-friendly materials, energy-saving appliances, and maybe even a rainwater collection system. Every little bit helps, and it's a wonderful way to honor the beauty and serenity of the nature surrounding your cabin. Well, friends, we've covered a lot of ground today. From picking the perfect spot to adding those eco-friendly touches, I hope you feel inspired and equipped to bring your own cabin dreams to life. Remember, it's all about creating a space that reflects your style, meets your needs, and brings you joy. So gather your inspiration, roll up your sleeves, and let's get building. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your fellow cabin enthusiasts. Happy building, y'all!